Clearing up COVID vaccine confusion.
One viewer says her window for the second dose is closing, but she can't get an appointment. So she turned to NBC10 Response for answers.
I'm a special education teacher, and my husband has diabetes, so between the two of us, we fell into the 1A category.
Beth Scola says she and her husband were happy to roll up their sleeves on January 20th. That's when they got their first dose of the Moderna vaccine from 15 to know in King of Prussia.
It was smooth sailing. It was a well-oiled machine. You didn't even have to get out of your car.
But scheduling the second dose hasn't been so easy. And the 42-day window for receiving the second dose, which is recommended by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, is quickly approaching.
We're kind of feeling a little pressure because 15 to know is stating that they don't have the doses.
Hoping to get some answers, Beth reached out to NBC10 Response. We contacted 15 to know and asked what's holding up her second appointment.
The challenge was that, we're dealing with a market that has a short supply of product, and there's a lot of demand. So every once in a while, a supply disruption is going to happen.
Mike Dershowitz is the CEO of 15 to know. He says the company is working to get everyone their second dose as quickly as possible. And they're counting on the State Department of Health to supply them with the vaccines. 15 to know says they're contacting patients within 48 hours of when they can get shot number 2.
It's definitely, for us and other providers, it's going to be one of those situations where, hey, stay by your email, stay by your text message, right? Because we send both emails and text. And when you get that appointment, you got to clear your calendar and come.
We also asked Mainline Health's interim chief medical officer about that second dose. Dr. John Stallkamp says your vaccine will still be effective, even if you have to wait beyond the CDC's recommended 42-day window.
If you're at 45, I don't think there's really going to be much of a difference. The longer you wait, there may be some additional issues going forward. But if you get it within that next week, you should be totally fine.
He believes we should see more vaccines become available soon.
I think over the next couple weeks, everything will kind of smooth out.
As for Beth, 15 to know received another shipment of the vaccine, and she is scheduled for her second dose this weekend.
Thank you so very much.
I know she's going to keep us posted this weekend. The CDC says if you go beyond that 42-day window, there's no need to restart the vaccine series. We are posting the CDC guidance along with this story on NBC10.com/response. And remember, if you have a consumer problem, tell us about it. We're here to help. Fill out our complaint form online, or you can call that number right there on your screen.